This is Paul. Yes, yes, yes. Could you get me all forms of media in each of counties? Yeah, where they have what is known as county home rules. Yes, yes, yes. See, as a media, yes, you cannot ever misprision the county's crimes. Now, it's a little different than the individual oaths. It could be that you're removed from being able to report yes on anything when the municipal code of the county is being violated. Yes, it does. Because you have an obligation to the residents of the county to inform. Right now, right now. That'll be the Squim Gazette. Ooch! Another lawsuit. Now, let's look at tort lawsuits. You remember the slander? There's what's known as what's in print. Oh, oh well. See, as the individual that's been arrested multiple times. Yeah. Excuse me. Torts or wrongs. Coach, there's a distinction between torts and crimes. If a wrongful act violates a private right, it is a tort. If it violates a public right, it is a crime. Liable, it is even more dangerous to defame a person's character in writing. Many words, when written or printed, are libelous, which, if spoken, would not be slanderous without proof of special injury. Now, I would say that anything my wife said during any of the court hearings without me having due process, was actual slander. And I would say that every time that you had a court hearing, where my wife slandered me, you're getting sued. Ooch! Proof of service is required to have court hearings when issuing court orders known as temporary protection orders for renewal. The first ex parte protection order in July 8th of 2011 is the only court order that can happen without the respondent getting notice of court hearings. Now, for every time my wife, or an impersonator, or a lookalike, or a body double, appeared in court and said anything slanderous, they're getting sued. Now, she would have said, ooch, 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 criminal offense involving moral turpitude. Now, I actually did 7 hours of parenting class. I was in diversion. My record was expunged. She would have said that that I beat the crap out of her. I was abusive to the boys. That I kidnapped her. And I made her stay on Guam. Yes, he did. Yes, he did. Now, that would be slander! Now, words falsely spoken by a person which impute that the party's infected with some infectious disease. Yeah. Saying that I'm mentally ill. I'm going to need the audio and video of every court hearing where the court did not require proof of service. And anything slanderous that my wife said at any court hearing without proof of service, I'm going to sue you in the court as admitting it as evidence. Pouch! Now, I want every judge on the county